third full day in Iceland, and we woke up at 6 a.m. and left our hotel at 7 a.m. And now, after almost 2 hours, we're at our first waterfall. You can see behind me. It's called Seljalandsfoss. Yeah, I'm gonna correct that on the screen. But look how pretty. And what's good about this waterfall, it has some bathrooms. After that long drive, it was much needed. Say hi, Trisha. There's not a lot of people here, and it's what, like 9:40?
Is it 9?
Is it 9?
I think it's 8.
8:40. It's 8:40 right now, so it's still pretty early.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. That's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say.
We're going to the next waterfall. It starts with a G. I'm just gonna put these names on the screen because I know I'm not gonna say them correctly. But this next waterfall is like where you can go in kind of like a cave. I don't know, I'm seeing these people are coming back from that waterfall and they're soaking wet, so I'm kind of scared, so we'll see.
You were never meant for me, but now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing.
Okay, that other waterfall we're not going to. It looks really hard to get to. We don't have crampons for our shoes, so we're not gonna risk it.
Yeah, we're already slipping.
Yeah, so it's okay. At least we're dry.
I'm trying not to give them the time of day.
We're at our next waterfall called Skogafoss, and this one has stairs that go all the way to the top where there's a viewpoint. Look, see, the stairs are all like up here on the side. Are we gonna do that? I don't know, we'll see. See, looking at these stairs now, they're a little, kind of a lot. I don't know, but look, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's a rainbow. Cool. Whoa, yours is a lot too. Their drinks.
Oh,
You don't remember something?
Oh,
thank you so much.
oh, sorry, I found it. I got the overdose.
And I got the cherry pop.
I like this. What's this called? Banana mud cake. So we just parked the car here, and the beach is literally right there. And it looks like there's like a restaurant and restrooms right there, so that's good. And then Dry Huli is down there. There's Black Sand Beach. is like 15 minutes from the black sand beach.
Has it been? Feels like forever, noticing everything, like the hair on the wall, food on the office table from last week.
Our pizzas from Black Crust. This is the number 2 and that's number 1, right? Yeah. There's like duck on this. And yours is like truffle? Yeah.
And I think seafood.
And what?
I think Laugustine or something.
Oh,
Seafood.
cool. Good morning. It's the next day. We're about to grab breakfast at Sandholt. It's like a bakery. We had an early start today, but it's okay because we got back to our hotel pretty early. We spent the whole day in Vic, and now we're about to go to a whale watching tour this morning. Sandholt. Can I get the pistachio Danish, please? Yeah. But it'll be separate.
Oh yes, I already paid.
Oh, you already did? Okay, sorry. Okay, yeah.
I'm not careful, oh boy, one down, chasing out the sunrise from the city to Tallaluga. Don't you steal the thunder.
Oh my god!
Don't you steal the thunder. Wake up at the right time, looking at my lifeline. Don't say you just fine. On and on, we gotta keep it up.
I got 2 traditional hot dogs. Really good. But we both agree the first one is still better. The onion sauce is so good. Now we're at Laugarvatn Fontana. It's like a geothermal bakery. They're gonna be making rye bread, and I know we're gonna be tasting it.
Fingers in the boiling water, okay? And if we have a hot spring, unfortunately, yeah, you can still see the silhouette on another shore of the lake. Huge mountain. Over there we have an active volcano, Hekla. The last time she erupted in 2000. Stopping by to have the breakfast. You can boil the eggs in here. If you like the runny one, it takes 10 minutes. If you like the hard one inside, it takes 14 minutes. Okay? And any guesses how long it takes to keep the bread down there? Exactly, the homework is done. So we usually mark it with the rocks, so then we know which bread belongs to which group. And baking powder. And in the 19th century, they didn't have the baking powder, so they used soda instead. And of course, we use loads of butter inside of the pot, then it's easier to take it out. And as you can see, the soil is still hot and steamy. And before, people were using this hot sand as a natural painkiller. They would come here in this area, looks slightly fluent from the inside. You can come closer. Back to childhood, playing with the dirt. Really. I have to baptize our marquesa. about the lake. By this shore, temperature is always around +12. Metal pot and of course plastic. I don't like plastic, but it does really good job. It creates all hungry. Ready? Yes, beautiful. So we are very lucky. The pot is full. Now it's not that bad. My oven is ready. You see lots of bubbles? You can come closer, yeah? But it's ready. Yeah. And you can hear it, yeah? See you tomorrow. We're gonna make a little hill. Is everywhere the same? Didn't have any food preservatives, so only conservantes was sugar and salt. So we're doing exactly the same. Eruption, yeah. So margherita is perfect. 5 kilos, definitely. But it's still hot and steamy. This is each. So one plain that you would understand the texture. Second one, butter. Don't be cheap on butter. Just put a chunk and let it melt, okay? Third one, with the butter and the smoked trout. And the smoked trout is from the areas around. It might be even from our lake. Enjoy.
Thank you. Whoa. Okay. We're at Sky Lagoon now. This is the entrance. We're at Blue Lagoon now. We just got here and we're walking over. Earlier this morning we had breakfast, and today our plan is pretty much Blue Lagoon, and we're gonna go around Reykjavik since we didn't really get to do that in the beginning. Look, it's so blue. Oh, it's so cute. Maybe you can ask them.
That one is
So
cute.
cute.
We should get that one.
I'm gonna buy this. It's 39,900
Do the conversion.
Icelandic kronas. do the conversion, but I'm gonna buy it. We're back at the hot dog stand. There's literally no line once we walked up. And yeah, now there's a line. And we got hot dogs. These two are mine. Just got one. I got two today. The hot dogs have like crispy onions and fresh onions and like these sauces. That's expensive. I got the rye bread ice cream and it's so good. It kind of tastes like caramel.
Wow, look at the mountain.
You can see the mountains.